As you can see, we're gonna be installing the coilovers, BCs to be exact, on the E46. I actually went ahead and installed the front coilovers off camera, just cause I don't know, that day I didn't. I was really tired and I just wanted to finish it really fast because I was tired from work. So I ended up not recording that, but my buddy came over and he helped me install them. He has a beautiful 350Z. I'll leave his ad down below. But yeah, we installed those. The front is ready to go, and we just need to install the rears, as you can see. Also, I did buy reinforcement plates for the back and the front. The fronts are already on. But yeah, this is a very good kit from SCP Euro. I'll leave a link down below. So yeah, but before that, I'm gonna be actually installing this. This is actually classic BMW E46 enthusiast. It's a rear wing or a roof wing, paint match and everything. I got this from K2 Industries. Beautiful roof wing. I really like it. So I'm gonna be installing this first, and then I'm gonna be finishing installing the coilovers. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey, so just a quick little update. I've taken the old spring out, and I've loosened the bolt in the back over here. All I gotta do is take out the stud or the shock or whatever it's called from up here, and so you see those little two bolts right there, there's two bolts up there. Just gotta loosen those up and take this strut out. After that, the new suspension can go in. Hell yeah, that me up, dog. Okay guys, so sorry for not recording much. I'm just trying to get this done as quickly as possible. But we went ahead and, we went ahead and installed the rear. Everything's done and we're about to go for a ride. So I'm gonna give it the first startup right now. This shit is so low, bruh. Yeah. Thank God it started. It's been 2 weeks since I started this car. Let it warm up and we're gonna go for a ride, see how it rides, bruh. Alright guys, I'm pulling out of the driveway as we speak. Hopefully I'll get out, cause this shit is stupid low, bruh. You hear that? No, bruh. It's not gonna. It's rubbing.
No, it's not.
The tire is rubbing, bruh.
It's not.
Hold up. So you can't tell me you don't hear that.
I hear that, but it's not tires, I think. Just try it. Just try it.
I need an alignment. Okay.
Start switching.
What is that?
See? Just try to take it out. Go diagonally.
Fuck it, I can't. I'm gonna go that way.
But you're already out.
I know. That's good.
Keep going.
I'm scraping. I scraped there. I'm gonna have to reverse it when I come back. Holy shit, bro, we're out. First drive, not that bad. It's actually not that bad. It's not scraping at all. And then this thing is super low, bro. It's touching the ground. Holy fuck. I'm so scared, bruh. I can't believe we did this shit, bro. Hold up. It's rubbing. It's rubbing. It's rubbing.
It's rubbing.
Fuck.
It's the tire with the with this on the. No, but it's.
I'm scared. Don't drop the camera, bruh.
Don't drop the camera. There's no way.
You got that shit? How is it? How is it? How is it?
Don't fucking hit me, bitch.
Ah, get fucked.
There's no way.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the end of the street. Come back in, come back in. Fuck it.
Stop recording.
Holy shit. I'm so scared, bruh.
Don't be so scared, bitch.
We did this shit, bro. Oh God, we did this shit. We did this shit, bruh. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Oh, hell no. Look at this.
That shit.
God damn. That was crazy.
There's no way that shit was gonna fuck your car up.
Oh God, bro.
And you only started it today.
Holy shit. Look at that, bruh. Look at this shit, bruh. Holy fuck. That shit is tugging. Oh God, there's no space, bro.
There is
Look at this. Look at this. It's scraping.
My finger doesn't even fit.
Bro, it's scraping.
It is not.
It's scraping. What is this? Bro, it's scraping. Fuck. Okay, this side is not that bad because the fenders are rolled, so we're good. There's a lot of space. I can keep it like this if I wanted to.
Keep the front one.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the front ones like that. But the bottom, oh, look how much camber. Hold up. Look at that. Can you see it?
That's crazy.
Oh God, bro. Okay, yeah, we're good on the front. We're good.
Yeah, the front is good.
Bro, look at the side skirts. Someone was touching. No, back up, and you'll see how the car is lower from the front. It's more low on the front than the back. You guys see that? Or are we tripping? Cause.
Nah, yeah.
Alright, bro, let's go. Let me just look at this one.
That one isn't scraping, is it?
I don't think so. Yeah, it is. Look.
Nah.
No?
There's no way that one's from you.
Alright, let's go. There's this other dude that lives in my in my neighborhood that has a sick ass Q50, I think, and it's dropped, bruh. But I can never find his house. I want to go up to him and say what's up, cause he seems chill. But he's never home. I don't know where he lives. Alright, bruh, so we finished the coilovers. I do hear a little bit of a noise on the back of that side. I don't know what it could be. I think it's just I think it's the suspension or the wheel hitting the rubbing against the fender well. I think that's what it is, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look into that. But yeah, that's it. The car ride's amazing. Fucking love the coilovers. But now we're gonna move over into the installing the roof wing. So stay tuned. Oh,
Too much.
trying to get this
I'm
glue.
already done.
How? Alright, so we just put down the glue. We're ready to throw just mash them together. That's how you say it. Nice. Okay, guys. So we put the roof wing on. Me and my boy helped me. What's it called? We put it on with the black glue. Wait, where is it? This shit. Sealant. I think it worked. And we put some bricks on top of it so it'll dry. So yeah, I think that's good. Alright, bro. So yeah, that's it for the roof wing. Now I have something else I want to put on the windshield. Stay tuned. It's about to be dope. Just put the final touch on the car. What do you guys think? Does it look dope? In my opinion, it looks so good, bruh. I don't know, bruh. You guys let me know. But yeah, what do you guys think of the whip? Dope? Let me know. But yeah, the coilovers are done. The roof wing is done. All I gotta do now is fix the side skirts, actually mount them correctly, and after that, I'm basically done with that. Soon I'm gonna be getting an MTEC 2 bumper, so stay tuned for that. Also, I got a MTech 1 rear bumper that I got installed. I'm waiting for the brackets to get here, and that's probably gonna be my next video. So stay tuned for that too. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this coilover and banner and roof wing journey. Like and subscribe, please. Peace.
My chest, lost a fucking baby, couldn't trace it. On fucking blood, they don't hate me. Fucking standing, fucking pussies,